Hello everybody, I'm going to be putting in a bed liner in my truck today. I'm going to do the roll-in kit. The brand I got is called Custom. This is the surface wax remover. So before I get started, I already took my tonneau cover off. I unscrewed all of my little tow hooks and tie downs and stuff. I already washed this out with a scrub brush and Dawn dish soap. And then I'm going to clean it with the wax and grease remover, wipe it down nice and clean. And then I'm going to go buy some self-etching primer because I have a couple of scratches that are bare aluminum in this because I've already been using it for work. It's nicer, obviously, if you don't have to etch it, but I also bought the scuff pad kit that came as an option. I got the big cup here hooked to my grinder, and I'm gonna scuff this entire bed down, and then I'm gonna wash it with the wax and grease remover again. I'm gonna spray the etch primer, self-etching primer on the scratches that I have that are bare aluminum, and then I'm gonna be ready to roll on the bed liner. Well, of course I gotta tape in where I don't want it, but I don't have a lot of taping to do, honestly, because I took everything out. And part of the reason I'm not using the spray-in is it's a lot of work when you do the spray. You gotta mask so much stuff up and plastic everything in the area. So I'm just gonna roll it on, paint it on. That's what I did in my last truck, and it came out great, and it lasted. I had that truck for 10 years and I never had a problem with it. It broke. Well, that sucks. Okay, enough screwing around. This is what I did. Oh, I gotta pick that up. Okay. That thing broke when I had 10 minutes left of the abrasive cup here. So what I ended up doing is taking a 5/8 bolt, screwing it in there, and then grinding it down so it fits in my drill. This was actually the idea at the guy at the hardware store. He's like, well, you know, he asked me if the bolt would work. And I'm like, yeah, probably. Screw it in there. And he's like, ah, that won't work. And I'm like, well, I can grind that down to make that fit in a drill. Wax and grease remover. Okay, so now everywhere that there's a gouge down to bare metal, or where the sander got a little bit too much down to bare metal, I got to put this self-etching primer on there. See there, it says bonds to metal, aluminum, and more. So this will help the bed liner stick better. So it started raining. This is the second coat, and man, does it look and feel really nice. Second coat's gonna really make it pop. It already looks really good. Here she is in the light of day. Came out amazing. Feels good too. This is just the next morning. Looks very professional. I got the tonneau cover back in here. Thanks for watching.